Today I was working on the corners. I used 2x3s so the drywall can have a corner both ways. So this is in the bathroom. That was fairly easy. I had already a corner installed here, but not here, so that actually wasn't too bad. But downstairs I actually had to retrofit this part as well because I forgot to put that in there. So I have all corners, the outside corners done, because I don't have to worry about the inside corners because I framed those so they don't need a corner, or they already have a corner. So this again have a corner, and then because I already had the drywall here, I have to go over that. And here's the last one here. So I just had to make sure that this is plumb with all the other studs coming across. The other thing I did is I sprayed fire blocker in the cracks. I'm still not done. There are some missing still. I used up 2 spray bottles so far. And then of course I did them downstairs too. Also, I had filled in some of these holes that they made. I'm assuming these holes were made for blowing in insulation. I gotta buy some more of this caulking. Here's another corner. Again, coming from here. It's gonna be flush with the existing studs. And pulled out a bunch of nails as well as I went along. This one I had to piece together in 3 pieces because this strapping here, I just left that there. I didn't want to take it out. So this one, it took me the longest because this is the one I had to retrofit. I had to install this behind the tubes that are coming from the AC, and that was a little bit tricky, especially down here. I had to kind of cut it thinner so the tubes can fit behind it on some places. But again, here I had to do 2 pieces because there's a drywall already, and then I did put a little piece up there to have a flat surface for the drywall coming this way, because the drywall coming this way is going to sit on this. So that's it. And the new ones, the new corners have no problem, because the way I built the corners is that it's going this way, and then this guy gonna slide right in here, and it's gonna be meeting here, so it's all good. Unless they tell me otherwise, I think that's good. As far as the corners for the new construction, and this is true upstairs too, I have the corner, so drywall coming this way, right? This way, flat, and then the other drywall coming this way, flat. So there's your corner. And here actually you can insert it in here. It doesn't have to stop here. It just sits better. And then on this corner, again, the way I built it, I left a gap so the drywall can come out here where my fingers are, and this is where it's gonna get screwed into the stud. And then the drywall that's coming from here, it's gonna end right here. So looks good. Talk to you later.